Hi viewers, welcome to AppsToday. Today I would like to give you a very sneak preview of an application called WorldClix. The application will be launched on App Store pretty soon. I've been one of the developers of this application, gets an opportunity to demo this app to you. Any of your feedback is most welcome. We are planning to sell it on App Store for $1.99. This application basically is more of an information repository for most of the countries in the world and the cities within them. It's basically a general knowledge building tool, and you can use it to impress your friends and people around you by just getting the data on a few clicks and talking about it basically. So as you would see, it has a very sleek interface, user interface, where we have so far researched and collected about 150 countries and about 250 odd cities within different countries, and we are obviously continuing with our research, and we will be launching updates as we go on finding more and more relevant data. So the application basically has a search box which allows you to search a country by just simply typing into it. So for example, I type Germany and I see Germany, which would come up. Um, or I can just go through a plain listing, as you would see. Uh, Pretty much very easy to interact application. So let's, for this instance, let's take say Australia. Yeah, and click on Australia. A window appears, and this basically gives you the current time in Australia, the day and the date. Okay, just underneath that, it will tell you what's the capital city of Australia, what is the currency used in Australia, language spoken, emergency numbers that you can dial when you're in the country, or just for general knowledge sake, and what's the country code, time zone. There is an option where you can either click and view the map for Australia, where Australia is on the map, it will show you, or you have got another option below which is called other cities. So when I click onto it, it just comes up with the list of cities within Australia. And say for instance I click on Sydney. It gives me more details about Sydney. The only opportunity that it also gives you is to view the map and see where Sydney is. Uh, However, it's not very elaborative city-wise. We are going to add a few sections going forward. But what this essentially will give you is an understanding of how many cities and what are the major cities and so on. Most of it is more on the first screen of each country, which is some basic information that anyone would like to know. We would be adding more information as we keep growing with our database and our information. But at this stage, this is pretty much what we have for almost all the countries, 150 countries that we have. So let's take another example of Afghanistan. Yeah, um, again, it gives you the same details. I click onto it, it shows me two major cities. We haven't done a lot of research on Afghanistan so far, so we are going with random country research. Click on the view map, it shows exactly where Afghanistan is, and then I can obviously drill in further into the map by clicking in the regular usability factor. Go back, and I get the original screen. And so it's a very simple application. Another very small feature of this application at this point of time we are introducing is themes. So there are only two themes. Blue is a default theme, so we call it default blue, and there's a green world theme, which basically is a green theme. Both I think are very nice looking themes, very soothing to your eyes. We will come up with more themes, specifically in the options area. We will be adding a lot more features, such as you will have toggle switches for information that you want to display and the information you don't want to display, so that you have only relevant information showing. What is WorldClix? It basically gives you a very quick write-up on overview of what WorldClix is and who's developed it. The info screen gives you the same, who's developed it, and so on. So very easy, user-friendly application. Um, that's all I have to show you in this beta preview of the application. We will be having it soon, as I said, on the App Store. Um, we will be submitting this sometime next week to Apple after fixing a few things, everything we need to fix in the application. However, the reason to put up this as a beta video and to demonstrate it to you guys is to obviously welcome feedback, and even before we submit to Apple, if you come up with any brilliant ideas, we will see if we can incorporate them. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will come back with more apps, more reviews, and more fun. Thank you.